Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for Saturday 9th of July. Now SHIB is actually trying to cross one resistance over here, and if it doesn't really cross it, then I do expect SHIB to basically come down to that line 1057 and try to move up and making a very big symmetrical triangle, which might be very visible on the daily. But right now you are trying to break out of this level because you had resistance there, you had resistance here as well. So if you do actually see it coming up here, breaking this level, there's a good chance that it actually moves to the upside, and you're looking for a technical target or from there to there, and that's going to take you all the way up here to this price area 13 is it 1353? Yeah, so 1353 is going to be the level that you're looking for SHIB to go to the upside, and there's going to be a very very straight to the point update right now. But even if this is a trade you're looking to take, I think the stop loss should be down here near 1100. So if you do take down 1100, there's a good chance that you're looking to come down once again here before you actually break to the upside. I don't know, I somehow feel like it might really just come down here before moving higher and then continue higher. It's just like something SLP really did. I'm going to show you the ascending triangle of SLP. So it tried to move up, came down, tried to break it out, but again try to break it out, got rejected, then came down to actually find support at the lowest part of the ascending triangle, and now maybe come here again and then boom, push to the upside, right? So this is my take about it. I could be wrong though. Even if it's a trade, again, it's at 1100 is going to be a stop loss. And another thing to point out is on the daily, you see, it would be a good idea that you actually do come down here so that it completes the bull pennant as well. So it's a very extended one, so you go up like this, make that bull pennant. Look how beautiful it is, isn't it? So it's going to be an extended one, so you take the technical targets from there to there, and that looks to take you up here. If it breaks out in the future, that's going to be 1758, and that would be amazing, right? That would be huge, like 61% or 60% to the upside. And that's it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.